Unit 5 test.
As part of our series on science, I'd like to introduce the inventor Tom Parkes to the show. Welcome, Tom. Now, what do you think is the most important quality an inventor needs to have?
I would have to say a good imagination is key. That's to say, the ability to imagine what we will need or want in the future. A good example of this is the success of some writers who have managed to predict the future.
Can you give some examples?
Well, the best examples deal with technology. Mark Twain, who wrote The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, imagined the internet in 1898. In one of his science fiction stories, he writes about an invention called the telelectroscope. It's a phone system that allows people to share information with people around the world. Writers of the original 1960s science fiction television series Star Trek invented the communicator, which looks very much like a flip-style mobile phone from the 1990s. However, the main character in the series, Captain Kirk, didn't use it to chat with friends. He used it to talk to his spaceship while he was visiting another planet. In his 1968 book and film called 2001: A Space Odyssey, Arthur C. Clarke imagined an early version of the tablet computer, which he called a newspad. An astronaut in the film uses it from the planet Jupiter to read electronic newspapers and reports from Earth.
Wow, that's amazing. So should we be looking at today's books and films to see what technology will be developed in the future?
Oh, definitely, especially science fiction. In the film The Rocketeer, a man flies using a rocket on his back called a jetpack. The Martin Aircraft Company has designed a jetpack, and it will be available to the public in the future.
I definitely want one of those. I hate getting stuck in traffic jams every day.
At a cost of at least $250,000, I think few people will buy one.
That's really expensive. I don't think I'll be buying one of those then. Thanks, Tom, for your time. Now...